What is the TRIPS agreement's role in medicine access? Imagine a world where life-saving medicines are out of reach for many people simply because of high costs. Now, think about how international rules shape whether those medicines are available or not. That's where the trade-related aspects of intellectual property rights, or TRIPS, come into play. This agreement sets the rules for protecting inventions like medicines across many countries. It requires countries to give patent protection for at least 20 years, which means only the patent holder can make or sell the medicine during that time. This can lead to higher prices because no one else can produce cheaper generic versions. But it's not all about keeping prices high. The TRIPS agreement also includes some tools to help countries get around these restrictions when public health is at risk. One of these tools is called compulsory licensing. This allows a government to authorize the production or import of generic medicines without the patent holder's permission, especially during emergencies like a health crisis or a pandemic. For example, a country facing an outbreak of a deadly disease can produce or buy cheaper generic medicines to treat its population. Another flexibility is parallel importation. This lets countries buy medicines from other countries where they are sold at lower prices. So, if a medicine is cheaper in one country, another country can legally import it without violating patent laws. These options aim to balance the rights of patent holders with the need for affordable medicines. However, there are challenges. Some countries cannot produce medicines themselves and face restrictions on importing generics. For instance, the Doha Declaration in 2001 reaffirmed that countries have the right to use these flexibilities to protect public health. It emphasized that patent rules should not prevent access to essential medicines. From an ethical point of view, the principles of justice, beneficence, and equity come into focus. Justice demands fair access to medicines for everyone, no matter where they live or how much money they have. Beneficence urges actions that promote health and well-being globally. But strict patent protections can conflict with these principles by making life-saving drugs too expensive for many. That's why the flexibilities in the TRIPS agreement are seen as ways to ethically balance innovation incentives with the moral duty to provide medicines to those in need. In real life, countries and organizations work to make better use of these flexibilities. They aim to encourage technology transfer, build local manufacturing capacity, and negotiate fair prices. All of this helps ensure that more people can access essential medicines while respecting international trade rules.